Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Genshin Impact. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Genshin Impact password. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to genshin.hoyoverse.com. Here at the top right, tap Official Site. You will be taken to the home page. To change your password, make sure that you are logged in. Now hover over your email address at the top right and tap Account. On this page, tap the Account Security Settings tab and you will be able to see Change Password. So tap Switch at the right. Now you must verify your account. So select the method. I will be using my email. To get the verification code, tap Send Code and enter the code here. Tap Next. You can now create a password for your account and re-enter the new password for confirmation. When done, tap Confirm. And that's how you change your Genshin Impact password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.